What's up, everybody? It's Stephen here from Mod2Fame, and we are back with another video. You see me sitting in my kitchen with a big ass box. Let's jump into it. Let's go. That's right, guys. We are back. Back. Yeah, so as you guys saw, we have started to mod Cheapokitty, and I told y'all we was going to take you on a step-by-step journey of the mods we are doing. You saw the review that I did on the intake, which we are going to install, but I cannot get work done without getting something else done too, because if we gonna have wine, then we need a little bit more sound. So today I'm sitting with Stainless Works in their mid pipe that I got for Cheapokitty. But actually, we got to take a little pause for the cause, because this is another video being brought to you by AmericanMuscle.com. That's right, just like the intake, I got the mid pipe there as well. You guys could check it out. As you see right here, it's really easy to do. You just select Challenger, put in your year, and then you hit exhaust. And as soon as you get there, the first thing you see is a Stainless Work mid pipe, which is what I have here. Again, I cannot wait to throw these on the car, but I gotta give them respect, man. They got the mid pipes to me really quick. Exactly as I ordered it. So that's all you could ask for when looking at different products. So do yourselves a favor right now. If you're looking to do anything to your Mopar product or any car that you have that's American Muscle, whether that be Mustang, Mopar, and I was about to say Ford. That shows how much I'm into the Mustang gang, right? But any of those products you can check out right now, AmericanMuscle.com. But anyway, let's jump into this box and see what these mid pipes look like. Come on. And we are in the game. I'm gonna have to do that. We are in the game, buddy. Junk. All right, here we go. So there it is. As a matter of fact, let's just get this out the box. Let's skip this. All right, so what's in the box, you ask? These are my mid pipes from Stainless Works. What these are gonna do is actually delete the factory catalytic converters that are there. The cats actually, they hold back more so sound than anything, and in very high horsepower cars, they actually do restrict most of the time at the top end. But the main reason why I wanted to go with these, number one, is because I was looking at a way to increase the sound and possibly a little bit of horsepower, and possibly, I'm sorry, in the name of vanity, actually get a little bit of flame. So the first thing that you need to do when you want to get a little bit of pop, a little bit of flame, is to delete the cats. So here we are. But why did I go with Stainless Works out of all the options? Well, one thing is their T304 stainless steel was a big draw for me. I wanted to make sure that the quality of steel was up to snuff, up to par, that we don't get any rust or anything like that over time. So that's where Stainless Works shines with their T304. Another thing is I wanted a product that was made here in the US. And the reason why for that is because I like to support what is American made. I am American. So that was one of the things that was also important to me. In addition, there's a lot of good reviews online about Stainless Works. Whether people are using their headers, their full exhaust, or the mid pipes, I've seen all great reviews, including my buddy Mission Flyer with his Hellcat. I watched him install these mid pipes on his car, and the fitment and stuff looked like it was perfect and easy to use, no adjustments. From what I understand, some of the other companies, they have to adjust certain things. You gotta kind of finagle it a little bit, and none of that was necessary with the Stainless Works mid pipe. So they aren't the cheapest on the market. If you go actually on AmericanMuscle.com right now, as I'm showing you, you'll notice that the price on these is over $400, but it's pretty close. It's all in the same family. So for me, I just want to ease the install, because you could actually spend that $20, $30 savings in the time of installation. So that's why it was important to me. That was one of the most important things to me. In addition to that, these are the reducers that come with it to hook up to the factory piping, because what I intend to do is I intend to use the Catless mid pipe with factory everything else. So going all the way back is factory mid muffler, factory mufflers, because I actually want more sound, but I don't want it to be ridiculously loud. I don't want no drone. I just want some more, but not too crazy. So that's why I decided to just do Catless mid pipe. I think with the combination of the intake that I'm using from JLT along with the mid pipes, I think the sound of Cheapokitty is going to be exactly what it is that I'm looking for. In terms of power, what is going to actually happen with power, I don't really know. I don't think it'll be a huge difference. We are going to dyno it and see though. I'm going to do that for you guys. Now I know I've seen a video from B Mason where he did his and it didn't pick up any power, but his car was the 392 engine. Whereas boosted cars usually suffer a little bit more from cats on the high end. So let's see if on the Hellcat it picks up anything. My guess, if it does, it's going to be probably a very small number below 10 wheel horsepower. But for me, it was more about the sound, and it was more about the ability on in between shifts. With a manual transmission car, you can control it a little bit more, and I'm pretty sure I'll probably be able to make some flames come out of the exhaust. There we go with that vanity again. God damn. Anyway. The thing that I also like is the fact that it does already come with the O2 sensor bongs. Now, if you are not tuning your car, if you do not plan to tune your car, you will need to get the O2 extensions. There's a few different companies that make them. You can look it up. It's pretty easy. The extenders, what it'll do is move the O2 sensor out and give the effect that it is still the factory catalytic converters that's in there. But me, I'm actually getting the car tuned. So, which we actually got another video coming up about that. But I'm actually going to get the car tuned, custom tuned, because right now, as you know, the car has a Diablo Sport tune on it. But we're going to actually go custom tune on this one so that this way we can actually get rid of the check engine light and take advantage of the fact that we have catless mid pipes. Now, I think that's where power is going to come in, because what you could actually do is it cuts down on the sensitivity of heat coming from the cats. Now, what we also plan to do with Cheapokitty, outside of, you know, playing around a little bit on closed course areas, we actually intend to road course Cheapokitty. And in road courses, the main thing you want to get away from a supercharged engine as much as possible is you want to dissipate heat as fast as possible. Catalytic converters hold heat and they keep the heat close to the motors. Getting rid of that is going to just push that all out quickly. And we're actually increasing the size to a 3-inch so it could breathe even better. So looking forward to seeing how engine temps, if it helps with blower temps, keeping it cooler a little bit longer going with the Catless setup. But anyway, let's see what we have here. The beautiful thing is easy, clear installation instructions, as well as I'm assuming that this is, oh, that's pretty cool. Thanks for purchasing. It gives you install instructions as far as what to do disconnecting the battery, but I will not be installing this myself. And this is the end result, what it should look like once it's hooked up. So I do want you guys to know that I do my research. I don't just randomly choose different things. So I spent some time on Stainless Works website, and what I really like is the comparison video that they put up using the 392. Here's a little of that too.
For our Mopar and No Car fans, we have a whole new array of Hemi-specific products. Over the last year, we've heard a lot of requests from our Mopar-specific dealers, and they've been asking for mid-pipe delete to hook up to your factory manifold connection point, delete your catalytic converter to give you more power that you desire and more sound. All the systems that we build, as always, fully 304 stainless steel throughout, hand TIG welded, lifetime warranty, and made proudly here in the US.
From that video, I was able to get some pretty good information that told me, okay, this is the decision you need to go with. This is the way you need to go. But I'm super excited for next week, guys. This week was pretty calm, but next week we are actually going to be installing the intake as well as the mid pipes. And I'm doing something pretty special with a tuner that we're going to announce next week as we're doing it, after we complete the install of these things. So I hope you guys are as excited as possible. I told you over the winter we were going to be building cheapo. Remember, the ultimate goal that we are looking to get to is that wonderful, illustrious 800 wheel horsepower number. Keep in mind, just to let you guys know, the last dyno that we did, you can check that video right here. That last dyno that we did, the car made 694 wheel horsepower, and that's on nothing but a Diablo Sport tune. So what I am going to do, and I am going to let you guys in on a little secret, we are going to have two tunes for the car. We're going to have a 93 octane tune for the car, and we're also going to have a race fuel tune for the car, but I'm not going to use conventional race fuel. I'll share more later. Don't worry. I'm not going to hold out too much. But any mods that you guys want to see in the near future on Cheapokitty, you're thinking about doing it to your car, that's not a problem. You could drop it in the comments. Steph, can you try this? Can you try that? I have no problem. If I have the resources and I can make it happen, and my friends over at AmericanMuscle.com have it, that's not a problem. We're going to make it happen just for y'all. So do yourselves a favor right now. You could actually get directly to all of our different companies that we work with by going to Mod2Fame.com and actually going into the N2F garage. If you click Cheapokitty right now, you'll actually see all the mods that we've already done, from the wide body to the wheels to the suspension that we're running. You'll see everything that was done in Cheapokitty so far. You can click those links and look at it for yourself, as well as Maxsteel, as well as the Panny. It's all there for you. L, what'd you say? Nice shirt, Steph. Nice shirt. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that. You can get it at Mod2Fame.com as well while you're there. Matter of fact, grab that merch. This is the OG one. This is called the Standard, which is the original that we have available right now on Mod2Fame.com. But anyway, it's your boy Stephen here from Mod2Fame. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss no more videos going forward. But until the next one, we out.